Welcome back to the Tracie Trendy Show, my lovelies. It's another day, it's another dollar, and my loves. I want to know, why is Moomoo and Derek's wife movie looking for a close up? Loves, let me tell you, when I say the world is microscopic, is it microscopic? Because why on earth is Moomoo up in Derek's wife movie looking for a close up? Who would have thunk it? Now, I mean, I guess everybody got to eat. And that little cameo he gave got him some quick lunch money. But I am truly sitting here scratching my head like, why Moo though? Why Moo? Does Angel have a little thing for little short kings? Or is she just, running a little casting couch for the vertically challenged? Look, I'm just asking questions, my love. Now, with no further ado, I'm going to share, and you guys just sip and watch. Okay, my loves?
They gotta kick it out some way, somehow. They not ready. They out here keep dragging, think they doing what they want to
Here I am, all fucked up in the game. I'm behind 3 months on my mortgage. I had to switch the kids from an elite private school, the best on the damn East Coast, might I add, to a fucking public school.
There you have it, my love. It's called All for the Gamble. It's coming to Tubi this summer. Oh my goodness. I guess our little cast members are moving on up to the east side. Woo! To that deluxe apartment in the sky. Woo! But anyway, my loves, what do you guys think of this? Why don't you guys share, drop a line, because we're going to be talking about this way after this little video. Share and care and hype, my loves. And I'm going to catch you all out on the flip side.